Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today we are going to be crafting and making a Mother's Day card. I've seen these online many times in Pinterest, so I just thought I would recreate it. It is a flower pot card, and the card itself pulls out. It's like a little pocket, and then you put your sentiment in here and stick that down in there, and it becomes a flower pot with flowers. I just thought that was really super cute and super clever. I will put the link down below of the pin that I liked when I went to make one of these, so I just thought that was really super cute. I had a Happy Mother's Day here. I don't have the best stamp. It didn't in my ink. I think it's my ink. I need some ink that is more opaque, but this is what I have, and I think it's fine. So why don't we find out what we need for this? First of all, I picked out 3 different patterns of paper. I have a green for my leaves, and then I have a turquoise and a peachy pink color. And then I have some craft paper that's for the actual pot. Then you need some ribbon. I have this was from Michael's a long time ago. I have some buttons. I have scissors. I have tearing tape. I have hot glue. I have my paper trimmer, but I already have my papers cut, but I will tell you the sizes. And then I have my rubber stamp here that says Happy Mother's Day with my ink. Then you also need a scoreboard. First thing you need to do is cut your craft paper to 4.5 by 12 inches. And then a piece that is 4 3/4 by 2 3/4. Then you need your scoreboard. And you're going to take your scoreboard and you're going to score it at 2 inches and then at 7 inches. Now pull in your trimmer again. So you're going to fold at the 7-inch mark, fold that up, and then turn over and fold the 2 inches down. Now, before you glue this together, you want to take this to your trimmer, line up this spot right here, this intersection, line that up at the top of your trimmer, and then line this corner up at 3/4 inches and slice it. I'm going to move it down here so it's not interfering. So line this corner up here at 3/4, and then this is at your cut there. Now turn it over and do the same. Line that up, this up at 3/4, and slice it off. So now you just want to glue this down. I'm going to use some tearing tape, or you can use liquid glue. That makes your basic little pot, and you want to glue here and here. And I'm just going to cut a piece of tearing tape in half, because this is I think a 1/2 inch tearing tape. And go ahead and glue down the 2 sides. just like that. So the next thing we're going to do is make our flowers. I already used my metal dies to make these flowers. They're a layering die, and I will put the link for those down below if you do not have them and want to purchase them. I cut out of both my pink and my turquoise. I cut out 2 of this size here. I think these are about 2 inches. And then I cut out 2 of the smaller, I think it's about 1.5 inches. And then I cut out 1 turquoise of this bigger size that's probably about 2.5 inches. This one is a 2-inch, I believe. So 2 of these, this size, 2 of the middle size, 2 pink of the smaller size, and 2 of this turquoise, and 1 of the turquoise larger size, if that makes sense. So I already have this assembled. I'm going to go ahead and assemble these. I'm just going to put the pink on top. And then go ahead and hot glue your buttons down. The next thing you need to do is cut 5 leaves, and I make these leaves probably about 2 inches long and about 1 inch wide, and I just freehand them. Now we're going to glue our flowers and our leaves together. First, I'm going to take my biggest flower here and I'm going to glue 2 leaves onto it, onto the sides. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my tearing tape, just a tiny bit on each one. And go ahead and stick those to the back of this on each side. And then to cover up and make it look nicer on the back, I'm going to use my last pink flower that I have. If I can get this off. There we go. All right. And I like that. And then I'm going to stick this on the back here. And then with these, I'm going to glue 1 coming off the side on each one, on each flower, I'm sorry. 1 leaf on each flower coming off the sides of them. Like that. And like that. And then we're going to put these here. So we want these 2 to be glued down at the top. And that's about how they come down, about 1 inch on each side. So go ahead, and you want to stick tape along the top here because you will need a little bit of space to cover up the top of the pot. So go ahead and stick tape across the top. And then place these like so. Just like that. And then this one will go right in the middle. And you pretty much go down to where the buttons, till it hits the buttons. And I'm going to adjust this a little bit. Just like that. So I'm going to stick some tape right in here. Like that. And then I want to stick one of these right in here. I was able to get some of the tape that was in there, kind of shove it up in there. Just like that. And then this should fit right in here. Just like that. Now the last thing you want to do, or close to the last thing, is take your ribbon and just tie a knot around on the front like this. Or if you want a bow, you can make a bow. That. And final step is to stamp our sentiment, and we will be done. Just like that. Alright guys, so here's how they turned out. I think they're so super cute and they were really easy to make. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye, God bless.